This is new 2020 CUECARD. Describe an interesting animal. In today's there are lots of animal seen in our country, which is defined as a wild animal, domestic animal, or pet animal. This Today I want to describe one wild animal. His name is lion. This is He is our national animal, and uh, uh, we all saw in the zoo as well as in the Gir forest. I seen first time in the Gir forest at one night when we when we when we rendering in the jungle in the open jeep. I listen his voice very first time. It is a very dangerous voice, uh, and it's called a roar. uh, Nowadays many king are available in the zoo, so children easily can see and know and learn about that. Mm, His hair color is goldish brown, so which is a very famous, and it is called in Gujarati language Keswadi. Uh, um, um, Many inspirational stories on the lion, uh, like working for the meal. It is one of the most famous story, and nowadays also many games and movies are available on the lion, like Temple Run and many more games, and the Jungle Run and many other movies. So lion is one of the most famous and uh, and very interesting